Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Again, you are not visible.
Oh
Yes,
my God.
yes. Yes. You are here. Okay. So, how are you, Mamta?
I'm great, ma'am. How about you? How are you
Yes,
doing?
I'm doing very well, and I'm so excited to again connect to you very soon.
Hey, ma'am. I'm excited too.
Okay. So, yeah, let me have your introduction first, Mamta.
Yes, ma'am. My name is Mamta Shah. I am from the Kolkata, West Bengal. I am a homemaker. I have a daughter. As far as my qualification is concerned, I have done BCom in accounts. And that's all about me.
Okay. Very nice, very nice. Okay. So, you want my introduction also?
Ma'am, but I know everything. If you would like to
Okay.
introduce
Yeah.
yourself, you can.
As I know very well that you know, and even I know you because I have seen many of your videos with your co-learners. Okay, I have seen you, but I was not actually. I didn't knew your name, but by face, I have seen many of your videos. So, but for my viewers, maybe some who watches this, conversation of ours, maybe some don't know our names. So, better to give my name. My name is Alka Chaturvedi. I am calling from Lucknow. That's all. Because today there is a lot of power supply is not running today. I don't know what happened. So it's
Ma'am,
extremely hot.
it happens because of the I can say this hot weather because it's nowadays it's scorching and everyone using their AC because of that.
Oh,
You have noticed that every time the supply is out and some this kind of problem issue we are facing here too. This kind of problem I can say.
yeah, but not in our place. We don't mother face these kind of issues because it's the capital of UP, this Lucknow. So we don't face this kind of trouble. But I don't know today there may be some like major breakdown. So that's where we are facing. And for
No, ma'am.
long it's and
Even we live in the Kolkata, ma'am, but because of this scorching heat, and nowadays everyone has a AC in their house, and because of that, now we are facing this kind of problem, power supply, and any I can say skip one day after another, we are facing this kind of facility because
problem.
of the
Yes.
AC. Because
Yeah.
everyone wants to live in the AC right now.
Yeah, and for the it's been like 3 hours. Yeah, from 3 hours it's not coming in. So first I
Oh
was
my God.
yeah I was planning to postpone this session of ours, but then I thought okay then what I will do in the meantime because I am so
Yeah, yeah.
addicted to having conversations and then in my free time what I will do because if I start reading something I won't feel like reading because it's so hot in the room. So anyhow, I
Yeah,
thought
ma'am.
let me have a conversation for a short while. Okay, maybe for 15 minutes. Okay. Yes. So yeah. So let me. Can I ask you something?
Yeah, ma'am, of course. You
Like
may ask
yeah.
anything.
So in your leisure time, when you have leisure time, when you don't have conversation or your child is sleeping, then what you feel like doing in your free time? What do you do?
Ma'am, I feel like to watch, I can say conversation video in English. I feel like to spend with my time only related to English content. Nowadays, I
Oh,
am addicted to this habit, I
yeah.
can
Even
say.
I, same here. Even I want to, to speak to every person daily, at least two to three, sometimes on videos, and we are not comfortable the videos than on audios. So it's become a
Yeah,
habit of everyday habit, like we eat dinner and lunch, so that kind of a habit it has become, that it means that is compulsory, and we feel so good, to connect with the different people. Okay.
it
So
has
in your
become
free
a part of our daily routine, ma'am. It has become a
yeah,
part of our daily routine, I can say.
yeah, part of her daily routine, yes.
We don't
And
feel good if we don't connect with someone any day. If we skip any day, that time we feel like we are the fish out of the water. I like this.
yes, correct, yeah. Okay, yeah, absolutely. That feeling comes into our mind. Feeling helpless. We feel like what to do. There's something we are missing. Yeah, and very big thing we are missing today. So And if suppose we are to go some party or functions, and when we come back home again, we try to pick up our mobile and see if somebody is there to have at least an audio call. Okay, so it's big. Yeah.
Because
So
of that reason, ma'am, because of this, I can say because of nowadays I'm connecting with many co-learner. Because of that, I don't feel like going outside. I always think while
yeah,
going outside is wastage of time. Why shouldn't I connect with someone rather than go outside?
yeah, yes, same here. Well, in the evening, initially, what I used to do at 6 o'clock, I would end all my session, and I would find for some friend. In our flat there are many ladies, so in the evening we just connect, to anybody's house. If I'm here at my home, I'll call Mrs. So and so, come to my house, Mrs. So and so. At least three and four ladies will come to our house and we'll gossip, and we'll have like in the summer some
Ma'am, do
cold
you like
drinks.
to
Yeah,
gossip with them in English or Hindi? Do you like to gossip with them in Hindi or
yeah,
English?
yeah. Of course. And if I'm not having time, then somebody will call me that Alka, are you free? Come over here. But the reality is that even I don't like to go anywhere. If somebody is there, first I think let me devote at least 15 minutes to have conversation, then I'll go. So this is the thing, it's become a habit to have conversation. So
Ma'am,
okay.
do you like to gossip with your friends in English or Hindi?
Yeah, see, what question you have put on? Yeah, actually, we talk in Hindi, okay? Yeah, if we can't start, in English because we don't know the other person likes or not, whether she is able to talk or not. So it will look something awkward, no, if we start conversation in English. But yeah, but though again, if we know that the other person is good at English, then yeah, we may try, okay? And I'll give you, I'll narrate you a small incident. One of my friend is in Mumbai. She's my childhood friend, okay? And every time on her anniversaries, on her birthdays, I used to wish her in Hindi. But she speak go on whenever she'll talk to me, half Hindi, half English in a mixed language, she'll talk to me. But this time I decided when I'll talk to her, when I'll call her, I know that she speaks very good. Then I knew that, yeah. Then I started talking to her in English. And it's been before 2 months back. I wished her birthday and I started talking in English. And that was my first call when I just started. And after the call, all over there, I was only in English. I was talking to her in English. So that's why, when I disconnected and I felt so happy, Mamta. Yeah, now I'm able to do, yes.
Yeah, ma'am, it happens with me when I decided to, I can say, speak with others. That time I decided whenever I want to connect with my siblings, I have to speak in English only. And whenever they call me, okay, and they start speaking Hindi, I always tell them, please, if you want to speak with me, you have to speak in English. Otherwise, hang up the phone. I'm not going to talk to you. Because of that reason, ma'am, they they are forced to speak with me in English.
Okay, so that's good. Okay. Okay. And how about your husband? Does he speak to you in English? No.
Ma'am, he does, but he only prefers to speak in Hindi. He doesn't like to speak in English at home because
Okay.
she always speaks outside, so she prefers to speak in our native language.
Yeah, because all are in the habit. So we've never spoken like in English. So nobody likes actually even
We
my
can't
children.
neglect our native language, ma'am. We can't neglect.
Yeah, yeah, correct, correct.
We are learning
So
this language only for our confidence, for our self development. But our native language is our language. We can't
yeah,
forget.
never. So don't you have your friends? Do you have any friend that you to whom you can talk in English?
Yeah,
Okay.
ma'am, I have many friends, but before they didn't used to speak with me. But when they saw my video on the many YouTubers channel, then they started
Oh,
speaking with me in English. Mamta, I
okay.
also want to enhance my communication in skill. I also want to gain my confidence. So please, could you speak with me in English? I'm like, oh, of course.
Oh, so you have become like an inspiration to others. You have become like,
Yeah, yeah.
okay, you motivate them and you have become like an inspiration to all of your friends. Okay.
Ma'am, though they know English very well, but yet they hesitate to speak. But after watching my videos on many YouTubers, now they
Yeah.
also decided to speak within in English only.
Okay. Yeah, they all came to know na, that Mamta is able to talk so good English. So that's a all a
Yeah.
connection in English. Okay, that's very good. And you know,
Still,
and you
still, ma'am,
maintain your
we know.
and you
Yeah,
maintain your
still
height, you know.
ma'am,
Yeah.
we know everything in our, we know till we are in the college, but that time we feel hesitated. But when they saw my video on the YouTube, now they decided if Mamta tried to speak, so why shouldn't I? Nowadays they call me on daily basis, okay, in order to speak with me only for 10 minutes, 5 minutes, and I always try to give my time for them.
Yeah, it's so
In
good,
this,
you know. Yeah.
way, I'm also practicing, ma'am. In this way, I'm also practicing.
Okay, listen, you want to come on a WhatsApp call. There is in WhatsApp, we have a group on WhatsApp. So every day we just have a conversation from 2 to 3. No, not 2 to 3 is only for group discussion on WhatsApp, 2 to 3. And the whole day, anytime you can talk to anybody on audio call. There's no video call,
Yeah,
you know,
ma'am.
there's no video, only on audios. Yeah.
Oh, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. I would like to join that WhatsApp group.
And if you will join her, you will enjoy talking to, you know, there are so many
Yeah,
girls
ma'am.
like your
Ma'am,
age.
please could you connect me? Could you connect me in that group? I would
Yeah,
like
of
to
course.
join that group.
Yes, yeah, I'll join you. I'll join you. Yes. So, yeah. You know Pratna Sharma? No.
Ma'am, I heard her name, but I don't remember now.
Okay, she's the admin of that group, and I'll tell her she'll join you in that. So, anytime, whenever you're free, you can connect to anybody on audio. So, that's a very good
Okay,
platform, also. Yeah.
okay,
So,
ma'am. Sure, I will definitely connect
okay.
because I want to enhance my communication skill. This is my you can say the short term and long term goal. I have to achieve
Yeah.
this fluent.
Yeah,
Now
yeah.
I'm working
You know,
on my vocab too. I'm working on my vocab too. Whenever I get time, I can say discuss those vocabs with co-learners so that I will keep those words in my mind. And I always try to discuss some idiom and expression so that I can use those in
yeah,
my
in your
discussion.
conversation. Yeah, absolutely. You can use them when you get to learn about the vocabulary. So you are like anytime and anywhere you can use those words, you know, of the vocabulary which you have learned. Okay,
Yeah, yeah.
okay, that's good. So yeah,
I'm
as we were talking about friends, now right now. So do you remember any of your childhood friend, which is still your friend since the past? Do you remember any of your childhood friends?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. I have a friend. Her name is Shweta, and she has been my friend since I was in class 2.
Okay,
We have
since
been
this
friendship.
is your friend.
Yeah, when I was in class 1 or 2, I have been friendship with that girl still, and still we talk to each other on daily basis. You can say, and 3 and 4 days in a week.
Okay, so she's also living in the same city or
Yeah,
somewhere else?
ma'am. She lives in city.
Oh, in the
And
same.
she inspired. She was the first girl who called me after seeing my I can say my videos on the YouTube, because when I had a session with Mansi ma'am, that time I
Yeah.
shared that link to my every friend, my relatives, my father, my siblings, and
Okay.
everyone. Okay. After seeing that video, everyone was so proud of me, and they also shared that link to their relatives. Because of that,
Oh,
she was the first girl who called me, and she was
okay,
very
that's
happy that
nice.
time.
Yeah, yeah, that's nice. Okay, so good to hear. Yes,
Because
yes.
whenever I had a session, I try to send that link to my every relatives, my every dear one, so that they can also see, they can also get inspired by my video.
So you both have studied in the same school when you were young?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay.
We did our schooling in the same school, and we did our college from the same college. But now I am married, but she is not. She is still unmarried.
Okay, okay, okay. She's unmarried. Okay. Maybe
Yeah,
in some coming
because she is
years
a
she can.
makeup artist.
Yeah. So
Yeah, she is
yeah.
a makeup artist. honestly. That's fine.
Okay. So did you call her in your marriage? Did you call her?
Yeah, ma'am.
And even you two will go when she has her marriage, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay.
We, ma'am,
And you will sub
we share a great bond.
so okay, you have a great bonding. Okay. Okay. Yeah, and if you will be surprised to know about me that when I was in class KG, when I joined the school for the first time in my life, and since then there is a friend of mine to whom which I am connected to her. Yesterday she spoke to me, and we are see in our childhood, then youth, and then adulthood, and now in the fourth, we are on the fourth, what to say, grade, now we are old. But since when we were child, still we are connected. So like we have four phases in life, yeah. So this is the fourth
Yeah,
phase
yeah.
of ours, and all the four phases we were all together. We were daily we connect, not daily, yeah, almost we connect every now and then. But the thing is, she's in US, but she's in US. Our time doesn't match. So sometimes this happens with her. But yeah, we never fail to remember each other on anniversaries and birthdays of our husband, of our children. She too. Every time we are connected, and we are planning to meet very soon. I'm not
Yeah,
able
ma'am.
to I'm not able to go abroad because actually what my husband doesn't prefer to go out of India anyway. So I may not get to meet her, but yeah, she's planning to come, and I'm so glad that after many years I'll be meeting her.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It must be, it must have been long years past.
yeah, yeah. And just imagine when we just got admission in the school. Since then, she's my friend.
Yeah, ma'am, it happens same with me because I can see she's my childhood friend.
Of course,
And
and she knows.
she has always been with me through my thicks and thins. And she always has been stand by me in
Yeah,
each and every circumstance.
yeah. Friends should be like that only. And friends also know about our ins and outs. They're so aware of everything. What's happening in our house. So everything, I mean, though she's not in India, my friend, she's in US, and still we are so much connected that whenever we'll talk. So we'll talk at least for 1.5 or 2 hours. And then my husband, he'll say, to whom you have talked so long? And I tell you, yeah, she's my friend from US. So yeah. So
Yeah,
we
ma'am,
just
it happens with me.
forget about the time. We just go on talking. So those
Yeah,
moments are
ma'am,
very, very pleasurable. Sorry?
yeah, ma'am, it happens with me. When I start talking with my friend, my husband always starting means to say she start yelling from behind. What are you doing? How long will you talk to your friend? But time flies, ma'am. I can't help it. Time flies while talking to my friend.
But I tell you one thing. Husband, they never like, if we are for long hours, if we are on the phone. I think no husband likes. Uh,
No, no one, no
Sherry,
one.
I am telling you this secretly because he's in another room so that he might not hear. I'm talking to him very slowly, yeah. So almost all the husband doesn't like, if we talk. No, if we talk, there's nothing bad in it. But if we continue for some like 1.5 or 2 hours, if we go on speaking long, no, so that time they won't like it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
ma'am, they don't like. I know very well. Whenever I talk with my friend, and when it has been past more than 1 hour, then she always starts screaming outside. What are you doing? Huh? How long will you stay at home? Phone. When will you hang up the phone? I say, okay, okay, wait. I'm hanging up the phone.
Uh, so your
It happens.
child doesn't disturb you. Your child, she is young, no? She doesn't disturb you when you are on the long calls with your friends. No.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am. Now she's little bit mature now. Still, she's sitting next to me, but she's busy. She's busy in some activity. She doesn't disturb me.
Yeah, Mamta, I forgot from which city you are calling me. Which place?
Ma'am, I'm from Kolkata, West Bengal.
Okay, Kolkata. Okay. Hmm. So, would you like to ask me anything? On the,
Ma'am, I would like to ask, nowadays you can see that we are facing lot of heat. Okay, so could you please tell me what is the reason behind this heat, this scorching weather? Because we haven't faced this kind of weather before, but this year I observed, I can feel that it's this year it's boiling. We can't
It's,
even put up with this hot weather.
we never had such temperature which we are having right
Yeah,
now.
ma'am.
Never we had, you know.
I have
We
never
never.
seen, I have never experienced this kind of temperature before.
Yeah, I think because the culprits, we are the only culprits, you know. So you know, in the cities, what everywhere, like in the villages also nowadays, so many green trees they cut, you know, in our you know in our village. I had gone, you know, before the 4 to 5 months back. There were so green trees. I was so, you know, I felt so bad, and I felt pity on the trees. There were many laborers, you know, they were cutting the green trees. We asked, my driver, actually my driver, no, he went for it to have a water from that, you know, not water bottle actually. He stepped out from the car and he just asked those people, why are you cutting this tree? So they told him that, yeah, we want to erect a building over here, so that's why we're cutting the trees, you know. So that only I'm saying, the culprits, we all are the culprits, you know, we are just felling the green trees. And you know, it's
But ma'am, no, there is a scorching heat. Okay, yet the people don't try to understand that we should not cut down the. I
green
can say
trees.
we should not cut down the trees. Still, they are trying to install the AC in their house, but they don't try to
Everywhere.
understand what the environment demand for us. Yet they don't try to understand this kind of thing.
Yeah, correct. So what to say? Yeah, Mamta. You still see,
Whenever
still.
I meet anyone, I always ask them, please tell me what is the reason of this scorching heat. I can't bear this kind of hot.
No, there are many scientifically reasons. This is the main reason I'm telling you. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am, in Kolkata, you can't even see where I live, we can't even see even a single tree. You can see only the buildings around us. Around
Yeah.
us, you can see skyscrapers all over the a big building. You can find. You can't even see a single tree next to
Yeah.
our house.
You, yeah, Kolkata. Yeah, in Kolkata. Correct. Now I'm
Yeah,
telling you now, even in villages, you know, the same thing has
yeah,
started
ma'am.
again.
Nowadays the villages are also cutting down the trees and they try to construct the house for themselves.
Yeah, correct. So even the oxygen supply will be cut out of the oxygen supply. You know, the green trees, they emit oxygen to us. There are so many hazardous, you know, what to say, the effects of the cutting trees. So
Yes,
Mamta,
ma'am.
as
Due
we,
to this,
yeah, I'm running out of my battery and there's no power supply in my house today. So I have to cut down here only, okay? And it was
okay,
nice
ma'am.
talking to you, Mamta. Yes, Mamta. Okay,
Yes,
okay,
ma'am.
sometime
Thank
again, and I'll try to join you in that group, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye. Have
Thank
a
you.
good day,
Thank you.
Mamta. Yes. God bless you,
Thank
beta.
you, ma'am.
Yes.